Hey everyone, it's Michelle Metzner and welcome to this tutorial on how to modify a Dropbox assignment with differentiated release conditions in the D2L learning management system. So let's get started. When you first log into your D2L system, you will be placed here on the landing page. This page just shows all of the classes that you have access to and can modify. So let's go ahead and hop into this very first one, and we'll do that just by clicking on it. All right, now that we're in the class, we need to locate our Dropbox. So let's go up here to Assessment in the upper navigation bar, and we'll click on that. And then we're going to select Dropbox because we want to modify an assignment, not a quiz or an exam. Okay. Now that we're in our assignment folders and our Dropboxes and all that, let's scroll down. I see this one already has work in it, so I'm not going to alter that. I'm going to go ahead and go to the second one right here, and we'll go ahead and click the drop down menu next to the name of the assignment, and then we're going to select edit folder because we want to make some changes to this one. And so we come to this screen. Over on the right, you will see a column of 3 options. You've got availability, dates and conditions, submission and completion, and evaluation and feedback. So we're going to come up to this first one, the availability, dates and conditions, and we'll just click on it to open it. And we want to make sure that we've got a start date and an end date in here. If not, make sure you have one. These 2 dates indicate the start date and the end date for the entire class. But what we want to do is we want to make an exception for either a student or several students. So let's go down here to the bottom of this context menu and click on Manage Special Access. When we do that, we have 2 options. We can allow users with special access to submit outside the normal availability dates for the folder, or we can allow only users with special access to see this folder. We want to choose that first one because we're just going to extend the date, the due date for some people. Okay, so make sure that first radio button is clicked, and then we're going to add, click the button that says Add Users to Special Access. So click that. And when we get this, we notice our original due date is March 31st. Okay, we want to go ahead and keep our availability date the same. And then we want to change our due date. So click this box here and then click the date box. And we're going to extend this. The original date was Friday the 31st. We're going to extend this a week to Friday the 7th. And I want to change the time because my assignments are always due at 11:59 p.m. And so I'm going to go ahead and just change that. And then we come down here to the user category. And this is where your students would be displayed. Now, I only have the one demo student. So I'm going to click that demo student. And then I'm going to hit save. Okay. Now, this will take us back to the restrictions page. You'll see that the student is named here. The original due date is displayed, and then the new availability is displayed that applies just to the demo student. So then we go ahead and hit save and close, and it takes us back to this screen. We can see over here on the right under special access that I have 1 user with special access. If I need to add any more, I would just click on Manage Special Access and go back through the steps to add more students. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and hit save and close. And there we go. As you can see, we're back to our list of Dropboxes. And if you look at exercise 3.2, you'll notice that suddenly there is this little icon. And when you put your mouse over it, it tells you that special access has been granted. All right. So that was just a real quick and dirty about how to modify a Dropbox assignment with differentiated release conditions. As always, if you have any questions, please email me at michelle.metzner@right.edu, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time.